Hi everyone. So I'm unboxing the Barbie Basics signature model number 04, and she is the petite red hair, and I did take her out of the box. This is the side of the box. So this is how she looks outside of the box, and this is her face, and she have a smaller type body than the normal size Barbie. She got beautiful red hair, and what I like about her, she's a bit shorter. She's a little bit shorter than a normal Barbie, as you can see. Also, her articulation is just like the Barbie looks. She got very good articulation in her joints, as you can see, just like the Barbie looks. Even her knees, and also her middle body, and her arms and shoulders. She got a cute little face, blue eyes, and she is just cute. So this is the model 04, and I think she's call it a petite Barbie, and this is the unboxing of the Barbie Basics signature model 4. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching.